Hi everyone. Today we're showcasing the top 5 best network adapters for PCs available in the market. If you want prices or more details, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at TP-Link AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter. The TP-Link Archer T2U Plus is a reliable upgrade for PCs and laptops needing stronger, faster wireless performance. Built with 802.11 AC technology, it delivers noticeably improved speeds, up to 433 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 200 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, making streaming, gaming, and browsing smooth and interruption-free. Its standout feature is the 5dBi high-gain adjustable antenna, which significantly boosts signal strength and range, especially in weak Wi-Fi areas. The dual-band support ensures flexible connectivity, while security protocols like WPA/WPA2 keep connections safe. Design-wise, it's compact yet practical, with a rotatable antenna for optimal positioning. Setup is straightforward, though driver installation may be needed. Overall, it's a budget-friendly, high-performance adapter for stable, long-range connectivity. Now our second product is Ugreen USB Bluetooth 5.3 adapter for PC. The Ugreen Bluetooth 5.3 adapter is a compact, yet powerful solution for upgrading PC connectivity. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster data transfer, improved stability, and lower power consumption compared to older versions. Performance is reliable, supporting up to 5 devices simultaneously, ideal for keyboards, mice, headphones, and phones, though only one audio output plays at a time. Its plug-and-play functionality on Windows 11/10/8.1 makes setup effortless, while the ultra-mini design keeps your USB ports unobstructed. However, it's strictly Windows only and not compatible with consoles, TVs, or cars. Range can vary depending on interference and obstacles. Overall, it's a dependable, budget-friendly adapter for seamless multi-device Bluetooth connectivity on modern PCs. Our third product is 9+ Wireless USB Wi-Fi adapter. The 9+ AC1300 USB Wi-Fi adapter is a strong budget upgrade for desktops or laptops needing faster, more stable internet. With dual band speeds of up to 867 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 400 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, it handles streaming, gaming, and video calls smoothly without lag. Its standout feature is the dual 5dBi high-gain antennas, delivering excellent signal strength and long-range coverage, perfect for weak signal areas like bedrooms. The USB 3.0 interface ensures fast, reliable data transfer, fully supporting its high-speed performance while remaining backward compatible. Setup is simple on Windows 10/11 with plug-and-play convenience, plus responsive online support if needed. However, it lacks compatibility with macOS, Linux, and Chromebooks. Overall, it's a powerful, cost-effective solution for boosting Wi-Fi performance and extending device lifespan. Now number 4, Tendo Wi-Fi adapter. The AX900 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter delivers a noticeable performance boost for modern PCs. Powered by Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax. It offers speeds up to 600 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 286 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, ensuring smooth 4K streaming, gaming, and low-latency browsing. When paired with a Wi-Fi 6 router, the full AX900 potential is unlocked. A standout feature is its 2-in-1 functionality, allowing your PC not only to receive Wi-Fi, but also share it as a hotspot. Security is solid with WPA/WPA2 encryption, keeping connections protected. The pre-installed drivers make setup effortless on Windows 7, 10, and 11, eliminating extra downloads. However, it lacks support for macOS and Linux. Overall, it's a fast, convenient, and versatile adapter for reliable high-speed connectivity. And our last choice is Aventry DG45 USB Bluetooth adapter. The USB Bluetooth adapter for Windows is a practical solution for adding stable Bluetooth connectivity to modern Windows PCs. Designed exclusively for Windows 11, 10.8.1, and 8, it delivers reliable performance for everyday devices like headphones, keyboards, mice, and smartphones that IT supports up to 7 simultaneous Bluetooth connections, making multitasking seamless without lag or dropouts. Audio performance is solid, enabling smooth music streaming and clear voice calls via apps like Zoom or Teams. However, it's strictly Bluetooth only. No support for Wi-Fi or 2.4 GHz USB devices, and lacks compatibility with macOS, Linux, and older Windows versions. Setup is straightforward, and performance remains consistent for daily use. Overall, it's a dependable, no-frills adapter ideal for expanding Bluetooth functionality on supported Windows systems. So, what do you think about these products? If you found this video helpful and want easy decision-making tips, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.